Yo, yo! Today, Gruk takes the bio elevator to floor 100 for sightseeing.
That is not a mountain. Be careful if it sneezes.
This elevator is very sweaty. Reach the top. $1 million view, guys. So beautiful. I feel like king of the world. What is that? I am live streaming. It's pecking me. I am not a flea. Go away! This is my VIP seat. Screaming gibberish. Trees! 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 Oh. Safe landing. Trip was a bit bumpy.
Did you enjoy the view?
Next time, I will sightsee from the ground. If you want thrill rides, scream, UGA, UGA, carry me home. And smash the magic rock, Gruk sleeping.